Itanya ria kumwathira muingi wa gicigo kia Mount Kenya rirehire hamwe atongoria ciama ngurani kuma gicigo-ini giki aria magiire na giikaro kia mwanya mwena wa Naivasha kaunti-ini ya Naikuru. Yario gatagati ga ateti na atongoria kuma ciama ngurani cia gitaro gia gatagati ga bururi ikinyitithio thinga mbere ya githurano kia mwaka ukite. Muoroto ari gutigira gitaro giki ni gikaria na mwaria umwe.
That whenever Mount Kenya meets, great things happen.
Unity of Mount Kenya is a step towards unity of the country.
We must continue to remain unapologetic about championing our interests, championing our region and championing our unity.
Umuthi mwahu wa Mount Kenya Unity Forum norio koragwo rehete hamwe ciama itiganite ta kiama kia NARC-Kenya kia Martha Karua, TSP kia Mwangi Kiojuri, chama cha kazi kia Mubunge Moses Kuria na PPK iguru ria ciama ingi uma mwena wa Naivasha utwarithia na mbere ndereti ya urumwe wa gicigo giki kuria Martha Karua amurirwo ta mwaria wao.
Avoidance of doubt that this forum has today unanimously chosen the Honorable Martha Karua to be our official convener and our spokesperson.
We are here and the generations behind us will still caucus.
Karua ni anereire mamwe ma maundu maria megukorwo magitetera ta gikundi giki ona gutwika ni mahureire iguru riendekithia riria riahianitwo ni mubunge wa Gatundu South Moses Kuria ria kwenda gicigo giki gikagunika na gicunje kia 40% gia thirikari yukite na oho giturwa kia munini wa president kiigirwo Mount Kenya.
At this stage I don't want to adopt anybody else's language. I want to adopt the language of this meeting, which is equity.
Wiathi wa ciama nyingi cia kiuteti ni undu ungi witikiraneirio na njira nene atongoria makihita kwaga gukoja ciama cio cia kiuteti meyohanie na kiama kimwe.
This is not only for this generation, it's for generations to come. The interests of the mountain are paramount to ourselves as we think as Kenyans.
Ni mateteire itua riao ria guka hamwe odumwe na guteaneria njatukano gatagati kao na kuria runa wa kuma ciama ingi cia gitaro gia gatagati ga bururi kunyitana nao.
Invite more leaders to come together and join us in this very noble agenda.
Iguru ria kuheana mendekithia mao kuria hitaitaniri agiturwa kiao president atongoria ningi mari na mufango wa kumakinyia kuri honge ngurani cia thirikari.
Blueprint we come out with will be presented not only to presidential candidates but even to other agencies that may have a bearing. If it is security, we have security agencies.